course. The race is over, but I am going to finish it, of course. I'm not going to quit now. Good morning, internet. It is 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I don't know, in the morning, and welcome back to the channel. Today is stage 6 of the Kalahari Rally. It's the last final stage. It's going to be 180 kilometers, I think, and we're going to parade again to the start. And that means that there's going to be a police escort. I have to hurry up because the parade is almost starting. Now I'm going to ride to the beginning, and all the competitors that are still in the rally are going to ride as a group to the start. These are my wrong gloves, so let's see and make it safe to the finish line. So I'm super excited. Last stage, so let's go. Something's wrong. Something wrong with Savannah. Look, this is moving a lot more than it should be. I think I cracked something. This is not normal. But my whole... I don't know how to...
Oh shit.
I don't know what happened. But this whole... Do you think that's frame?
Yeah, that's stress fatigue.
Huh?
Stress fatigue.
Yeah.
Are you going to carry on riding?
Huh?
Are you going to carry on riding? What are you going to do?
Of course.
Okay.
But I can't ride so fast because every time when there's a hump,
Crash.
yeah. I was like, what? I hear something. Oh, and it felt different as well. I'm like, something's wrong.
Just ride slowly.
Yeah.
Just ride it to finish it now.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, well, the race is over, but I am going to finish it, of course. I'm not going to quit now, but yeah, I can't go fast anymore. Some of the fuel in my main tank to try and get a little bit of the weight off, but I can barely ride anymore because every little bump the whole backside comes down. But it will definitely help. Put that fuel in the main tank.
Oh, julle agtersuspensie het gebreek.
I can't ride like this.
Alt can take your petrol.
Yeah, I'm just gonna chuck it in the main tank
Yes.
to save some weight. But even then,
You'll make
every
a plan.
bump I hit,
It goes down.
yeah.
Watch out, the petrol's running out. You'll make a plan.
Yeah, it broke the subframe yet. I think
Oh, I
already
see it, yeah.
yesterday.
Sorry?
That's why it came down.
Yeah.
So you didn't realize it yesterday, but it broke here.
Oh,
You see, yeah. See,
that's why.
yeah, well, that's why.
Yeah, I broke it already yesterday then.
I think it started breaking yesterday as well.
Yeah,
And today it's gone.
yeah.
Okay,
But lucky you got two engineers. So
Sorry?
I'm sure you got two engineers, so we should be able to fix it. Jullie gaan 'n bietjie rukkie vat.
Lee,
Yeah?
it's now a good time to take out the welder and everything so we can fix it. Bring the KFC.
Can't do that because she can't.
I broke my frame.
Subframe.
like how that turn signal though, that flicker.
Yeah, there's nothing left.
And
Mr. Honda.
Stefan and myself said, you know, we must talk to the Japanese. Why do they put the indicator in front of the exhaust, you know?
Mr.
And then
Honda.
when we stopped here, we realized, nah,
Not good.
not that.
It's the lady
Not a
riding.
bad mistake, it's just a bad road. Hey, this one's also...
Yeah,
Lee?
I know.
Lee?
Yeah,
You're losing some of your your bike, your nuts, huh? You're losing your nuts over here. Huh?
This is the fun we've been missing. We just show up to the fuel stop and cry. Does anybody have water?
Give us an update on your bike.
So it turns out that I melted my indicator already because it was already braking. But nobody noticed, eh? Yeah. We were all looking like,
now I understand.
wow, how did it...
Lee?
So it was originally like
It was
that.
originally like that. I started breaking the frame, so it slowly went down, and today it really went.
This is your tool bag. It's full of emptiness.
My frame is broken on both sides. I have pushed my bike a little bit too far.
Too much dropping.
Too much brapping.
This is stupid. Which way do you go?
Roadblock, yeah. What happened? The rear end.
There you go. Thanks.
Oh, look at this.
What?
So there was fuel on it.
What is wrong with it? Heavy.
Feel this thing, seriously though. Just that alone?
Because so there's all your
Ooh,
bolts and
It's
spaces.
really heavy.
No wonder it was like...
Yeah, and then with the fuel on the back as well.
Let's see what plan we can make with the other stuff.
Did we
make
Strap
super-
in the bag.
You didn't see it fall off.
Hey guys, this is the last conflict on Adventure Class that frustrated and saw through, and the lady that smoked a lot of those.
Got it.
So I made it back. As you can see, my subframe broke. I think it started to break already in the last stage. That's why it slowly went down, and that's why I burned through my indicator light, started melting. But nobody, well, I didn't catch it, nobody else. We were all looking at the indicator light thinking, how did that melt? And then today I was just feeling something's wrong, and I could hear it and feel it, and then I stopped, and then this whole thing was just loose. But anyway, I still made it. I got my medal. The last stage today, finished the rally. It was an amazing experience, and yeah, I pushed myself and the bike to the absolute limits, and such a good feeling. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just ready for more rallying, I think, but I'm gonna take it slowly, see what's gonna come on my path. But it was such an amazing experience to be here. Absolutely loved it. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen next. But anyway, I'm not gonna end this video. I'm super tired. Tonight they're gonna do the prizes, and I think there's an after party and all of that. So yeah, and then it's finished. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Go! Huh?
I think everybody's laughing.
I was like,
Everybody knows.
I still need her for one day.
You still need it. Will you try and
to jump it out of the trailer for us?
You want? I can wheelie it.
Okay, out of the trailer.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you
Explain to me.
That's how you ride.
Forget about
at
a hot-
250.
Forget about a hot race, check a hot chick, man.
Got a hot ass, huh?
You have a hot ass over here.
Savannah. Savannah with its shortened tail being loaded
Thanks.
No problem, pleasure.
for the last time. Do you think that indicator? This looks like something out of Terminator, eh?
Well, I'm running on jet fuel.
Are you sure?